Hello viewers. In this video I will be teaching how to create Liquify effect in photo using Photoshop. Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to never miss any update. So, let's start. First, open your image into Photoshop. Now, select the magic wand tool. Click on the Select Subject button. Once the subject is selected, to create a mask on it. Right-click on the image layer and click on Duplicate Layer, then hit OK. Now, go to Image, Adjustment, and then click on the Saturate option. Right-click on the upper layer, and then click on Convert to Smart Object. Now, go to Filters and click on Liquify option. Here, select the Forward Warp tool and copy my settings. Now, start painting like this. Once it looks satisfying, then hit OK. Now, add a gradient layer from here. Here, you can select any gradient map from these options. Change the style to radial. Now, drag the gradient layer to bottom. We are done here. Let's have a look at final output. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.